My favorite time of day is very early in the morning. Most people are still asleep. But I am awake. And I love this quiet time. The house is calm. The world is slow. It feels like a fresh start. Every new morning is a new beginning. So let me tell you about my morning. I wake up early, around 6. I don't use a loud alarm. I like to wake up slowly. I open my eyes. I take a deep breath. And I smile. A new day is here. First, I sit up in bed and stretch. Then I stand up and open the window. I let the fresh air come in. The morning air is cool and clean. The sky is soft and pink. I can hear the birds outside. It is a beautiful sound. Then I go to the kitchen. I make a warm cup of coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee. It is warm and rich. I hold the cup in both hands. And I take my time. I don't rush. The morning is quiet, and I feel calm. I sit down by the window. I drink my coffee slowly. Sometimes I read a few pages of a book. Sometimes I just look outside. I watch the city wake up, little by little. This is my favorite part of the day. The peace and quiet in the morning. No noise. No stress. No hurry. Just me, my coffee, and the soft morning light. In these quiet minutes, my mind feels clear. I think about my day. I think about the small things I want to do. And I feel ready. Later, the day gets busy. There are messages, work, and noise. But my mornings are always mine. They are calm and simple. And they make me happy. Now, I know many people are not morning people. Waking up early is hard for them. And I understand that. But you don't need to change your whole life. You can start small. Wake up just 10 minutes earlier. Make a warm drink. Sit down, and be quiet for a while. No phone. No rush. Just a few calm minutes for yourself. Little by little, it becomes a habit. And it can change your whole day. A calm morning gives you a calm mind. That is why I love my mornings so much. They are quiet, simple, and peaceful. They give me a fresh start. Every single day. So tomorrow, try it. Wake up, take a deep breath, and smile. Give yourself a few quiet minutes. You may fall in love with your mornings too. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me today. Here at Learn English by Listening, we learn slowly and gently, just like a calm morning. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it helps me a lot. We'll have a new lesson tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.